In this video, we will work on the leaving animation. We want to make sure that the images are swiped to the right, and also the active link, the underline, animates all the way to the right at the same time. Okay, so if I click on architecture, we'll see two animations happening. The active link line gets removed, and also the images are swiped away. Okay, so that's what's coming up. The best way to learn, of course, if you have been following me for the other videos, is to take the files as they are and create your own leaving animation instead of the simple fade out. Create your own twins and timelines and create your own transition, how you want the page to animate away before the new one comes in. So we've got the animation enter updated. We've done it in the last video, and now let's copy all these selectors and the timeline inside of the animationLeave. We will return this timeline, and all we have to do is just define the twins for this timeline. Okay, so simple change. We will not need the projects. We are not setting them to visible or invisible. We will only use the active link to animate the current page, the one that is leaving away. So the underline is moving away, and then we will do something with the images. Again, it's up to us to do something with the images. So we definitely need these two selectors for the effect I'm going after, and the active link to remove the underline. Okay, the duration when the page is leaving, I like to have it a little bit shorter. So let's shorten it up to 0.4. And we'll change the ease to ease in and soften up the power of it. Okay, so power 1 in will be the ease on these twins. And now let's define the 3 twins for these 3 elements. Let's firstly target the active link and animate it away. Make sure when we click on another link that the active link, the underline, is moving to the other side that it came from. We'll use the GSAP 2 twin, target active link, set the X% to 101% or 101. That would make it move to the other side that it came from. We're using the absolute 0 again, because all these twins will happen at the same time. And we'll see the architecture link moving away before the animation, the enter animation kicks in. So this works fine. And then we will need 2 twins on the images. Okay, I will put these 2 twins in, and then we'll see how it looks in the browser. We're simply doing similar effect that we did in the animation enter, removing the images, the containers, the diffs with the class images to X% 101. So we're moving it away, but at the same time we want the image to stay in place. And for that effect, we need to animate the image tags inside of these images containers to the opposite value. Okay, so I'm just moving them to X% minus 101. Stagger stays the same. Everything happens at the same time. And here is the final effect in the browser. Nice reveal. Firstly, nice swipe away before we are revealing the images in the enter animation. Okay, so that's how it was all put together. And just to give you a little bit more time to soak the animation in, let's put the time scale 0.2 on this timeline. Slow it down 5 times, both the enter and the leaving animation. And if we view that in the browser, we'll see the timeline slow down, and if I click on architecture, we'll see the landscape border being moved away. At the same time, all images are being moved away, and then the enter animation kicks in. Cool revealing swiping of images, firstly revealing them, or firstly removing them from the page, and then revealing them in the animation enter. And now let's go into the next video.